Hello. So far we have learned 3 vowel sounds in Malay. A as in api, ayam, awan. I as in ikan, ibu, itik. U as in ubi, ular, ubat. Today we will learn another vowel sound. This sound in Malay is O, as in orang, orang, that's people. Otak, that's the brain. In Malay, when we say orang, the O sounds like a clear and smooth O, but in English, the word orange starts with more of an O sound. The mouth opens wider. Now, let's read some suku kata and words. B, o, bo. Bola, bola. Bola means ball. O, cho. This word is chorak. Chorak. Chorak means pattern. D, o, do. Do, dol. Dodol. Dodol is a traditional, sticky and chewy, sweet treat, popular in Southeast Asia. O, fo. Photo. Photo. That's photo. G, o, go. Can you read this word? Go, so. Gosok. Gosok means to scrub. For example, dia sedang gosok lantai dengan berus. He or she is scrubbing the floor with a brush. O, ho. This word is easy. We see hobby. Hobby. That's hobby. Something fun you do in your free time. Her hobby is painting. J, o, jo. Johan. Johan. Johan means champion or winner. K, o, Go. This is easy. Go. Be. Go. Be. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, that's coffee. She likes to drink coffee. Dia suka minum kopi. O lo. Here we see lo bag. Lobak. Lobak means radish. O mo. This is a long word, but we can read it because we know all the suku kata. Mo to si kal. Motorcycle. That's a motorcycle. O no. No na. No na. That's a type of fruit. It's sugar apple. O bo. Bo. Gok. Boko. Boko. That is a tree. O ro. This word is roti. Roti. Saya suka makan roti. I like to eat bread. So. Try this word. So to. Soto. Soto is a type of soup. Soto ayam is a classic chicken soup popular in Southeast Asia. It is usually served with rice noodles, shredded chicken, and eggs. O do. Can you read this word? Do pi. Topi. That's hat or cap. O vo. This word is vocal. Vocal. Vocal means vowel. In Malay, there are 5 vowels, and we have learned 4 of them. W, o, wo. Y, o, yo. Z, o, zo. Okay, let's read. the suku kata again. Bo, cho, do, fo, go, ho, jo, go, lo, mo, no, bo, ro, so, do, vo, yo, zo. That's all for now. Remember to keep trying. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.